Today in this video we will look at smart coffee makers under $1,000 on the market. If you're interested in any of the products we talk about today, you can find the links down in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Keurig K-Café Smart Coffee Maker. Transform your kitchen into a personal cafe with this innovative coffee maker, perfect for brewing rich, full-flavored coffee, lattes, and cappuccinos using any K-Cup pod. With the advanced Brew ID technology, it recognizes your specific K-Cup and automatically customizes brew settings, offering a more flavorful, tailored cup of coffee. Through Wi-Fi connectivity, you can access Barista Mode on the Keurig app, which provides step-by-step instructions for making cafe-style beverages with ease. The app also offers an expertly curated menu of drinks that are personalized to match your K-Cup pod. Whether you're craving a hot or cold beverage, the versatile milk frother allows you to choose from 3 frothing speeds and even has a cold option for iced drinks, using either regular milk or dairy alternatives. For those who love customization, you can select from 5 strength settings and 6 temperature levels, ensuring every cup meets your exact preferences. Additionally, the Wi-Fi compatibility lets you brew, schedule, and adjust settings from anywhere through the app, making it easier than ever to create and save your favorite recipes. You can also manage smart delivery to ensure your preferred K-Cup pods never run out. Its multi-stream technology ensures optimal flavor extraction by evenly saturating the coffee grounds, delivering a bold and aromatic experience in every sip. This coffee maker truly blends convenience, innovation, and personalization for coffee lovers. Number 2. Philips 3200 Automatic Coffee Machine. Experience the luxury of barista-quality coffee right in your home with this fully automatic espresso machine, designed to deliver 5 aromatic coffee varieties with ease. Whether you're in the mood for a robust espresso, a smooth Americano, a creamy cappuccino, or a rich latte macchiato, the machine provides a perfect in-cup result every time. Its intuitive touch display makes selecting your favorite brew as simple as pressing a button, bringing the irresistible taste of fresh beans into your cup in moments. The innovative aroma extract system ensures that each cup strikes the ideal balance between brewing temperature and aroma extraction, guaranteeing a consistently flavorful experience. Simplifying the milk frothing process, the 2-part milk system is free of tubes or hidden parts, making it incredibly easy to clean. Just rinse it under the tap or place it in the dishwasher for a 15-second cleanup. To maintain your machine with minimal effort, the AquaClean filter ensures clear, purified water for up to 5,000 cups without the need for descaling. This feature enhances the longevity and performance of the machine while ensuring that every cup you brew is of the highest quality. With thoughtful design and smart technology, this espresso machine brings coffeehouse convenience and flavor directly into your kitchen. Number 3. Keurig Single Serve Coffee Maker. Effortlessly brew your favorite coffee in multiple cup sizes, ranging from 6 to 10 ounces, with this compact and convenient coffee maker. Whether you prefer a smaller, stronger brew or a larger, milder cup, this machine accommodates your needs with ease. For the boldest flavor, the 6 ounces cup size is ideal, ensuring a rich, full-bodied coffee experience. Designed for quick brewing, it delivers a fresh cup in under a minute, making it perfect for busy mornings. The 36 ounces removable water reservoir allows you to brew several cups before needing a refill, adding to its convenience and efficiency. Featuring Smart Start technology, this coffee maker heats and brews in one seamless step, so there's no need to wait for it to preheat before selecting your cup size. With simple button controls, brewing your perfect cup is as easy as inserting a K-Cup pod and choosing your desired size. Its energy-efficient design includes an auto-off feature that powers down the machine 2 hours after your last brew, conserving energy and giving you peace of mind. The removable drip tray accommodates taller travel mugs up to 7 inches, making it easy to brew on the go, and it even catches accidental spills for quick cleanup. Additionally, the machine can dispense hot water on demand, simply by closing the brewer handle without a pod and selecting a cup size, making it versatile for other beverages like tea or instant soups. This coffee maker combines speed, convenience, and versatility for a great coffee experience every time. Number 4. Café Specialty Drip Coffee Maker. Brew a perfectly balanced cup of coffee tailored to your taste with this advanced coffee maker that offers 4 unique brewing modes: gold, light, medium, and bold. Whether you prefer a delicate flavor or a robust, full-bodied brew, this machine ensures every cup meets your exact preference. Its 10-cup capacity allows you to brew just 1 cup or a full pot, all while customizing each brew for strength, temperature, and number of cups. With the convenient auto brew feature, your mornings just got easier. Set it to your preferred time and wake up to a freshly brewed pot of coffee, ready to start your day. Certified by the Specialty Coffee Association, SCA, this coffee maker meets rigorous standards to deliver a barista-quality experience from the comfort of your home. A built-in filtration system helps remove impurities from your water, enhancing the taste and ensuring every cup is pure and smooth. For an even more connected experience, the coffee maker is Wi-Fi enabled, allowing you to control brewing through the Smart HQ app or voice commands via Alexa and Google Home. The Voice to Brew feature offers unparalleled convenience, so you can enjoy a perfect cup of coffee at any time with minimal effort. The intuitive digital display makes it easy to track and adjust your brewing process, putting complete control at your fingertips. Stylish, smart, and designed for coffee connoisseurs, this coffee maker simplifies your morning routine while delivering consistently great-tasting coffee. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER Digital Coffee Maker. Brew your perfect cup of coffee effortlessly every day with this programmable coffee maker that offers convenience and control at your fingertips. With a 12-cup capacity, it's ideal for both small and large batches, making it perfect for any household. The quick-touch programming buttons simplify your morning routine by allowing you to set the 24-hour auto brew feature, so you can wake up to a freshly brewed pot of coffee. The Sneak a Cup feature is perfect for those who can't wait. This function pauses brewing, allowing you to pour a cup without creating a mess before the entire pot is ready. The Easy View water window on the front ensures you always know how much water you're adding, making it simple to get the perfect water-to-coffee ratio. The durable Duralife 12-cup glass carafe is designed for longevity, while the washable brew basket allows for easy cleanup and maintenance. The coffee maker's digital controls feature large, rubberized buttons for a comfortable, user-friendly experience, and the clear display shows the time, brew duration, and programming options for added convenience. Whether you're brewing a full pot or just a few cups, this machine delivers quick and consistent results. Designed for daily use, it brings a blend of reliability, functionality, and ease to your kitchen, ensuring that you start your day with a satisfying, perfectly brewed cup of coffee.